do, yeah.
I really loved it. I love doing it.
It depends on your personality. If you really like doing creative stuff, which I love doing, I really enjoyed it because I got to do a recipe of flappers and how to make a flapper. And if you like the research paper better, then you might not like it, but otherwise it's like really fun to do.
And there's no like limits on what you can do. Like whatever you want to do, whatever direction you think your paper, not even your the recipe or top 10 list or any other product should take, you kind of just go with it.
It definitely has something to do with your personality.
Yeah, you don't have limits like a research paper.
And you can come dressed up. Unfortunately, I didn't have a flapper dress, but someone's doing the Charleston.
But you know what's great about that, and it's what Mr. Lane had said prior to, you made a connection, and you created this vision, and it became personal for you. So each one of you walked away with this personalized product that attached you to it. And that, to me, is the beauty about education. You're connecting and you're personalizing, and that's why you'll always